Abusia yabasa amu akwaba se gusua no agebre na wo hye eye Adom TV baby a edui eye enigidie mu nsem a yenya no eye enne efiri enura eba besi enne na yede ba abesom wo edi a ofremi a megeso ene nkoso ene frempom manso na Adom TV edu enigidie mu nsem se ya nipa ba ko na ya na ne din eba ma adwi mu pa ye chief inspector ba formed police unit FPU Kumawu base o mane mpa ne ho the chief inspector ba mechia opan da se abribia no wo hwe na wonim se bro nyan ba bia na ede pa ye de pa kan se mana nim se na emu odu ene eye takrade Taadi na o record na o remove a free 21st na besi enra de Ghana de na ba bia nye de te se eye takrade na de yetimi ye ene se ye ma team no ensu bi ekota kwade sister Sunday ene yenuanom enso kota kwade se ne esi wota kwade bia no yen a ye wo enkran ne Ghana ba bia ye wa yentimi ankota kwade de ye beko na wokohwe omo carnival no ankos form omo asane ade na wokohwe atitirifo ne nintire ahemfo ye na nanom atrankonya ebo chu eba ye ebehwe na omo ba nso onye so mo free from ntoma wo omayiyi omontoma no agwo no mo hye sa ayi ankos for entade bi ntino yebekọ na yakohwe de si eye enura ewo eye takrade na sister Sunday ebo no homodin bia ese one empanifo ni bekasa enti yanko ne nkọhwe eye western regional minister eye honorable Kobi ochre da komensa na yenhwe ono nso ensem a okafa eye dwumadi ekoso enura no yekobesia
Taadi, I catch you Christmas in Taadi, you know. Oh yeah, down higher dancing way. Now there's this particular man, he doesn't miss this particular festival. In fact, you know social media over the years, and then I know we have the privilege to talk to him. Honorable Badwam Ahosepe TV.
Major Ondo, wait for so.
So official pa.
I think about Yara.
The fact that you wear the whole uniform, now the whole count na stage, you know. Aya DPP won ko force oye or recordo
eya ade anso ya de woni na western region yes ya wazoye na kusunyi na AUC our way of bringing our communities and society people together, so we all enjoy doing it all every year round. I'm starting maybe 5 years and I've been doing it for the last 5 years, so we enjoy it because you meet people, business get connected, and the town is full with ourselves and our friends and families.
Particular festival where, you know, if an apple say Adru, where do you want to see it in the next 5 years?
For me, I'm looking at how it can generate the type of revenues that the London Carnival does. I mean, in London, they generate about $170 million for that festival period. And I believe that is doable here because Takrade is only 25 minutes from Accra by air. Sisi awa ye double road ribe. Ye just about 1 hour 30 minutes edibedua. Enti kakra akra mi dey bedua. Na ahwa sisi na we use it more for social mobilization. We want to also use it for economic mobilization. So we are looking at how we can even introduce discount cars for the people who participate and for our visitors who come. Sisi ani can say all the stakeholders come together for us to organize it. First, now community level. And why citywide. The regional administration is involved, the Metropolitan Assembly is involved, the Center for National Culture is involved, the tourist associations are involved, the Choba people are involved, tourism board is involved. Everybody is trying to be part of it. Until now it's more coordinated under tourism board and it's doing so well now for us.
Yeah, Nancy Kromno, obviously apart from you, they don't see anybody from the ministry joining, from the presidency. They are calling on the tourism ministry to join. Almost one answer with him.
No, tourism for about one bus is in our last 2 years in Penyufuni and the people get involved, yes. But I think that like in the same way the ministries look at Kowu, other festivals in other regions, it's also expected that they would specifically look for money and invest in this project as well, and it's something that we believe that with time it will come to time.
So to your people, on call for a show, this particular festival can come one man on ne approach baby piano about some minister pede catch one.
I'm better catch one day. Was one visit now that one fat West Side Carnival, Taadi Fest, Taadi Masquerade, and attack the Bronya. Oh, you 2 weeks in India and one function program on one bra. Now we may invest in businesses in the Twin City, not just come and build their homes. We may invest in businesses, and we have young men and women who are ready to run these businesses on their behalf as they invest in our town. Today, America want to move it from social mobilization to economic mobilization, and that is where I want people to be driving their investment and their mind towards when it comes to anchors.
Senya wani je ho ya bese bisa se usu ano na wo join group bi ana
Me yakola na me join Holy City. Yes, I'm still a patron. Yes, but because I'm my MP, this year mekwa ha ade cha na ma akoi na just to make all of them happy. Yes. This year they Minister Supreme.
You are really forcing. Onko force your mother was you are forcing for them. Christmas message, I feel so. Then I catch on call for. Oh,
Mama Canada. What's the man waiting on? Man waiting the MO Dinko. Now I fee 20-25 feet. Yes, you share your for free and fan for free. Now you make sure that you be look out for opportunities. Because opportunities no mobile konenim. Say Juma in the private sector and government sector. Say if in a society your problem you able to solve and become an entrepreneur and invest. Or start new ideas to create new opportunities for other people as well. And I want to assure them that we will continue to support their dreams to make them successful in this great city of ours. Now, it's the Western region. There was a Mamika Sawebi. Mamika Sawebi.
Minister Okako Sawebi. Let's take a look at that. Nani Jehope Isaac. Chanonia Hassan Yosanono. It's a minister on the dance floor. Minister on the dance floor. And I owe in an arsenal. Minister, anyone to home. When you watch your home, Honorable, when is your home, Papa? Yeah, that's a son here.
Okay, it's not that. Church and crown for next year when you are.
I was here, so I catch her say, bro, you in a attack on Neda. We crash, say, when me, a bayard. Na. Sadia na a minister and this is a Sunday and Comono. A dubra, I may say, a yes, a bimum penning for any private institutions, no, a become more boom near Kotakrade. If it's a near maybe Kosowa, share me the crow Israel, a bayam faton. So, oh, pay a near ma, a ma, a friend of a second, a ma Israel for, and yes, capa a tourism. A tourism. And ye be out tourism. Ushe nipa de biara da omuko Israel me no kasa me makọ 17 good times akoye interviews no documentary no ni ade enti saa na say bibi say ye bọ ho ban so what ase na nka ebia afibia no ye wodi a ye de ma no na nipa botwi ehọ na be hu samanfo be sisi hotels akese enom ne eniema edeba fi say wo hwe dwumadi e course ya ankos saa mo carnival ya eye huge say producer each or the better one was share said the camera no try ye na nipa enam krom obia hyesa atade de bia na say ya na say ye no nanso no sabi amfa wa akwan mu nti no obonsi ejeja ne saa na afi omo a omudi animu no na omapa ba sisa Sunday koso a esani eye Mr. Abbas Mizan ono na ye president of Ghana National Chambers of Commerce and Industry and so the train komo yenko tie san komo no ne ensa amra
Brantini Matonka yase the whole Ghana president of Chamber of Commerce awani
Mbachano arano
epitadi hade
Mukomani
wow it's
one bread battered here.
Look at the Taadi boy.
Papa.
It's about the amount of join. As I saw your Taadi boy, no. What is the benefit of this whole festival?
Okay, so this is a festival, and I've been my journey way since I've been a child. Okay, so before now only 2 clubs, medium club, but over time it has evolved. I have a brain and. Bueno, I be because recognition abaso. This industry, is more than $100 million industry. Where class The least club have about 500 people. That's the least club. The most club is more than 6,000 people as a club. So you can imagine the kind of industry you have. Clubs in here almost started from the middle of the year. No, almost started almost 20. So in terms of business, it's huge. It's a big industry. So imagine how much imported the fabric for this thing. How much beton hotels, even medical tourism, because we are encouraging them to say how many are your part. In the insurance industry, they have not taken advantage. And this is an industry we have to take advantage. Because look at the numbers of people. Look at the numbers of people. And a lot of people are executives. They have cars. They have homes. Okay? A lot of people travel from abroad to come and join. So even travel insurance is an advantage for them.
President, maybe Matisse groups they help people, the less privileged. Eco school, I'm talking of foreigners. So how do we commercialize such festival?
Okay, so that's what I've said. So already I'm talking about my the big industry has the hotels, insurance, and catering. Now, some of them have tried some helping the underprivileged. For instance, the Amibi Club that I'm joining, we try to encourage the youth to get into education. Me, out of this one, I've invested in a young and IT company with over 500,000 Ghana cedis, and now it is the biggest delivery company in the city. It's the indigenous biggest and the first delivery company in the city now, called Ready Technologies, and that is a company. And I invested because of this thing. This is a big industry. This is a big. We are encouraging them, and also we are calling on the government, especially, to pay attention to it, because apart from Brazil, the Brazil Carnival, this is the next biggest carnival in the whole of the world. In the whole of the world, this is the biggest carnival apart from Brazil.
No two ways about that.
It is the tourism industry, because tourism, the tourism authority, they pay attention to the Kou festival, but not this one. As an indigene of this city, as somebody who is born and bred here, and I want a good thing for my city, I'm also calling upon them to take advantage of this thing and make it a major activity on their calendar. Make it a major activity on their calendar. But in terms of business, look at the numbers. Look at the numbers.
Vendors.
So you can, and MTN, I mean, let's appreciate them. They've been part of this all throughout the number of years. MTN, Sky, Power FM, and a lot of appreciation go to the owner of Sky, Mr. Awosnata and the wife. They've been very supportive. He actually started this thing, and for the past 25 years we have been here. So it's big. It's big. So we are encouraging the street to take advantage of it.
I was here, Ochiame Enim, Asem Cousinana, Masumua, where the Muamotino Masum. Now, many a year, Mr. Bass, a year, drink 100%. Mr. Bass, yeah, no, to Bass, and now we advert before. I'm first can be answered as a bob companies. But Yamfa, and Indian and Chiamasa companies, no, for someone aboa, said the na all cano. As some are walking in, say, a dubra, as I say, a bind, a trade in Nibasha Takra, the not her. When we say Moon Kobe, maybe a mania Edimeni Akubi, I think 2 years ago. So what I say, just a near my war ye for Takradeno, a dorsal. O shall say about 21st, Kofi Kenata made in Taadi, no more the way to us, no more carnival way the Duchum. O shall see Kawo, a dear woman pass a buying a bon homoden, private institutions, more bomb homoden, number day, Sika Ashemua. Be one of the best. Numbers afibia no afibia obi be sheda broni obi on free cream be sheda take it aba na wo de Taadi ehye wo mu na sese bio ya be factory bi ene ya be si ne ye ye some materials ni ade a eni nyina ebiebie nyuma ema ye nuanom youth no so enya enyuma ni bi eye enti de ye pa ache wo nyina ne se aban ene ne mpanimfo private institutions mo a bibi wo mo nsem no momwa unim hwe abrochirefo a eba because of eye carnival we ebeje wonsem mindi minuanum bi a omo yemfante for Germany Hamburg afi biya na unim se omaye we awie no sometimes omo kọ Germany so a omo koye no ehonom bon so omo sese omo ntade na ni edidi so enti yebesere se yentwa yeni na yenkọ hwe de ekoso ewo eye takrade fi se abusua sika ne yetu guza no ye we sang we say ubetimi aye abon se ebedu baabi no Hollywood for do mo ho befam ebedu baabi na CNN for do mo ho befam ebedu baabi na BBC say the Adom TV de edikan no wa ye the champions so what I say na ekọ achiri wo hwe Brazil for the year a man for timi ticket from Germany from Europe all over no okọ eye Brazil no akọhwe the day nti na ye de mo ye de ho wo hwe Ghana nkasa ho wo hwe Ghana nkasa niema bi anka ye de toto na akọ me beboa eye economy no but ye hu ni nyina no ebe free tourism mu na ye toto tourism ase ye toto tourism wo tourism sites bi a eye na sebi evrem ye na airtime enti ye besere se ye mo ye homodin bia se ye de ye ni so ebekọ eye takrade na yenko so a ye sponsors omo ne ye call omo boama eye takrade de mu hu Sister Sunday ni Adom TV omo boy homodin omo so ya sen ma ne ba so no yenko na Sister Sunday kasa omo so ka kire no yenko tie eno so ne famra ye bekọ betia
co-sponsors for this year's event. Me and your cheche komaka kampasha mo akwa Badwam TV.
Yeah.
Number Chomodino, Apollonia City.
Yes, yeah. Free Apollonia City, any King City.
Yakasana, dear Jumana.
Yes, Apollonia City, any King City, a real estate company, Ghana ha. They are part of a group, be a friend or endeavor. Ye cities. Ye cities. 5 countries: Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Zambia, any DRC. Now Ghana had here, you will be a new back on crime. I have friend Apollonia City, and a back on Takrade ha after a year chassis. I have friend King City.
Now you have a macha kwaya. Accra ni ebe huwe na Takrade ebe huwe.
Accra ni you oyibi free adenta ekwa. Just 5 minutes away from Valley View University. Now, Hono, you were fully serviced lands in Sasia. You ma and electricity needs you. Ya to quota. Ya making sure say ya gate to be bia come. Oh yes, you were title Kessia Power by the bachelor. Yes, your truthful a sin dance the way abroaching. Yet your buy an ending cut and in natural. I'm aware who's a BBI cruising.
Boss, I this year.
Last year in Commodian started last year, and you started saying, yeah, Chesson year, I can cayenne in the Adena Qua. You who says if I cut Christmas, power Ghana ha. Then no West Side Carnival. It's yeah, so since I at my core, yeah, dream your customers who know, but be your customers. I come I want a honor and see a person ba. Now you buy and so the who know, I saw you who say I can no criminal me and him away nimpa.
Now, my social media handles, see, I'm further information or honor.
Yes, it's men who you were at Apollonia City GH and at King City GH.
I hope some more installment plan be my.
Oh, your installment plan up to 3 years. For Ninano, so if you have it, a moon chemu dupe 10%. Now they are carrying to me chema confirmians.
Yeah, that's if it's on your chain.
Yeah, that's a part.
It's Apollonia City. I think some more social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Baby, be I show more now. Who installment plan or more? I hope say about more website.
Our website www.apollonia.com.gh and www.kingcity.com.gh.
Yeah, that's if I bought mum. That's actually a fresh boy.
Who's a fresh girl?
I was here na okoshe Apollonia City omuna your friend is saying Taadi Carnival course no omo eboaye ema eno nso eba so na mesre se ye hia enipa ye hia adwuma titire adwuma kese companies ebi te say Apollonia City se de kan se omo ba be so ase sister Sandy ewo takrade na wabre yie ye me do wabre enso o se da bi de see ye course bia no obechiri mu obema yenso yehu de course sister Sandy emo a channel pa ba Adom TV
me do papa ngo so papa fishapa
afin komisan ho do
eni asem na waka ma bre papa ngo so nya djuma keto na ko so ha sei no
na ya shey ya share moko how many days ni
you do have Monday you can say 5 days ni be free as Sunday be 1 week dey course bia you twegu Adom TV ahwefo nyina
enti free Monday na be si enra no carnival na course sa na say boenchiremu
course sa say akwaye no ho 1 week festival in fact because we do takrada at 11 p.m. go for night at 12 midnight and go for night ejuada no omoye the official opening ceremony of West Side Carnival no and on Tuesday no masqueraders no almost ananti ko no so mo ko mo patrons honom omo house to house e do mo ko share say na ho family na ngame adima na de chin stay na ye and sana Wednesday no the main carnival activities as that groups maybe ban anti street so apoko na Thursday na ya woda no enwa no and the main match masqueraders ban anti crew na go so when in so catch it and so catch it masqueraders and anti now but you say even one group consists of about 6,000 members.
Wow.
That is Emirates and the name Supreme for no. And I'm getting group and getting say Italy for no or more Italy for no more group no more say 1 year penny, but they have about 1,000 members.
1,000. Abuja we TV no so the see ye bi na etwagu no. Enti no wa hye no so ma 1,000 members e wo Italy ho.
Yes, 1,000 members Italy group or more say just barely a year ago. And you got to say na we can TV no so there. Adi we are very big big festival.
Huge ankasa.
Even tailors so pam near man no. O de show mo o medicine. Atade ni bisa no e be 450. Atade na say no. E be 1,000 Ghana. E be quite 1,005.
Wow.
And yes so page na ho gia. And only 1,005. O pay cobra 2 days time and only 1,000. O pay the big food you go no surprise and kunemu. O pay the over pam some ba be maybe 2 weeks time and only 450. Because I say mebunu no etimi to susua city January no ekosi December no wetnya Taadi ni bi ahye.
Wow.
So you just look at the tailors how mo pam enyu mo mbenya. Vendors enra vendors. Me say we e was who stay dehydrated in then enra obenum drink. Fruit juice obenum nsuo even water sellers are making money. Okay. Because this is a very big festival.
Very big.
Making for fortune come no. Almost say almost ya say aban emfa omo embedum ye sene ya akwawu okwawu no obo se na president nam ho obo se afahye bi na president am we no almost say president bia embe bi da na mo bo original minister ba so say ono ni nipa over the years no one ne ho adoma de bia no o originally ewum but almost ono nkwenti ni nye he has done enough and he has done really well. So me say tourism ministry any aban president obi bia fan ho engine because enko now we can say unim na for free Hamburg Germany you are not lying and for family no twetwen come on the street no and so about 90% are foreigners it's their first time word first time is their first time in Takrade na ya ba ya no media house na hotels ayema that should tell you that the tourism aspect, crazy. Not hotels in Nayama. It took our managers and bosses, their magic. Abdullah would be Sean, Pakistan. It took their magic and Sana Yenga Kuma Plaza Ada. So that should tell you, say, and yet, Diago, and idea, was a Diago. Hotels are full, food joints are making money, tailors are making money, vendors, water sellers are making money. And what else? Yaba ye me mpabwa akote se makoto mpabwa timinya nye medo nye fediago
na aja ye ka de e course we ye fe na ye dey se bibi basa boni bia nso ensi ho business
there be dan cause for men kwala na omo join masqueraders no e be as little as 1 year 2 years Now I'm Kwalama and instrument you Tigana have me and Kwalama. Me home Kwalana, I my concern is really about them. It's maybe something I'm Kwalaka think it's way almost the idea will be on yada. Almost over so many years in a Kwalaba crying rada. Because group will be a patron and answer chapona, then you call Kwalano echo.
Wow.
And then Kwalano, Mokamumru, because when me made Jim Kwalano was a woman, she won't let what they are to torture me.
Kai.
And I'm saying, hey. Just as parents, Nekwano, I almost the same, enjoying the it's a quite ritual near Mamra, and that's how they say Christmas, because you know, and Palau, Penifu, Ubia is safe, everybody is safe. About the NC, Ubia, we are there, trust me, Yabaha 1 week in
yo,
Ubia, we are there, Taadi for your Messian kind of quest. They are so decent because Adia Baku Quency, but about the BNC, yo, Ubia, when we are Talik, Ubia, we are Pen, the funny. Me must one a jumicha, obi anhwem, but when you chase a baby and yeshim, but I did it. What they are, maybe Basabasa the uncle.
Yo, mamma,
when I'm a boy, baby and yeshim.
Yeah, can't say, Obia and Yashi, Obia and Yewino, and Suni Busa said, Bambo won 70 cents. Yep, papa no more posing for no, I don't know, or Mutimi boy, who almost almost no more.
Medofon Koso, I don't pay major FDK, so Naya Bo. Before no Abasupa, Ghana Police Services. In fact, Ghana Police Services, you know, I think they are more accurate enough because the festivals are they are more in education. Now this particular one is no different. And because of Masqueraders March, you know, not traffic room. Police were at every joint, every traffic light, every junction, directing cars. Police is only required to almost see on one or more bon Kalana or Bank Kalana Americano. Police furniture Mufaha and Faha say that no okay, but Mumina, it's a police furniture because so they are everywhere. They have done really well.
Yo, and this is a Beja. Now, what you are home in himself, Obesa, Aba Fidio, so they are calling them Meta Quade Abontezo. And this is a Sunday. That's it. That's a Saturday. I'm a boy, so if only how, Medo, only how. It's the Abusian, you call a course so a water credit, and Yadebra, not Yaba sorry, so no, not the sea water credit. And the best sorry, so name mum, I mean, French young comma a year Nimakun Care Foundation, you know about Doctors, our Massachusetts, a year Worcester, or no, and a down, or no, same in country, say, so wouldn't Nimakwe be our year autistic, I be sure, a yak mume. Na omo san crofon nkwala and no mu take care of omo abehwe omo akosi say omo benyi bello couture me chao pa sanso na Christma couture me nua ba na me soa oredua me chao na me ba sori so no pensen mu na eba me nua say ya papa Kingsley Wood ono abono homodin pa wo hwe say this Sunday kan ya omo koye no ono na ebo ne homoden timi ma omo baby pa eye den e de die nti ye papa ye beda wase pa na me be sori so na me di kankan ye no pensen mu ne de ba na ye di pensen mu ba nso de a na eye se mia menua akwasi nsia na ebeba enti no asante achi mu bogu de hye kronkron wo yoko de hye kronkron enkoso hene ene mekra mo ha na mo ntwen akwasi obasisi ha.
in New York. If I can answer, the one and only 172. I think even in the first our it a one son Juma. Now here capital is a Juma. So you have interest. You have capital interest here. The problem is not our friend OP. OP on the February and one shall say I'm from Atari. You come OP. I think you know our friend. Nanato grow. Let them know 50 of the land. Now it's not coming over band and Nanato grow. Aha, Yankee. In a food here, our branch outside Western region, our branch of who came for Cincinnati, so you don't go get first. You know what I think I'm going to pay 1,799. Nice. I say, come and see you. Young girl, come and see what they love. Thank you. All right, one, into a last one.
Is a Sky Media Group brought to you by MTN.
No surrender, no retreat. Thank you. All right, now we're ready. You be over, we're ready. Thank you. Thank you. Amen. Zia, one man was there. Who's fine? Good man. So, Charlie, good coach. One said, baby, I'm after that. Okay, GCB man. Thank you. Where I was not there, I am going to get my students. Yeah, 27 years of age. But that was founded on 1997 from Chinese masqueraders club. From time to time, now you demand us and now we want to make our yellow. It's about the other, so I am right.